landed in Dubai. Let me show you our room because it's amazing. How cute is this bathtub? I'm obsessed. Definitely need to have a bath in that. Massive showers. We're definitely going to have a bath in that, aren't we? Oh, cropping your toes up. Look, we've got 2 fat beds. Lovely jubbly. We've got a lovely mirror. I can see, there's so many mirrors. Oh my gosh.
I'm here.
Oh my gosh. Massive TV. Cute little section. And look at our view. Like, how amazing is that? Wow. That's amazing.
Amazing.
Can't believe it. So lucky. Guys. So we're just obviously in the room. In the beautiful...
Huge.
Massive room with like 2 beds and all of that. Literally like a bag's got a bed for itself. But we were going to go out tonight, but we've actually swapped nights because basically like there's a lot of things we want to do, so we've organised everything for each day, and we wanted to get like a Five Guys or like some sort of nice takeaway to the room, and just like have a chilled night. And we were meant to go out tonight, but the place we want to go out to, like we do want to enjoy it. So we've just like swapped the nights around, and like we've got big fat TV here. We're just gonna watch some Ollie White videos, and honestly we've got so many snacks from the plane because, well, we literally slept like 1 hour, but hence why we're staying in. We're bloody knackered. We didn't eat any snacks on the plane, so let me show you what we got. Honestly, like we were like, shit, we've got a lot here. We bought, okay, so I've wanted to try this for ages. It's like the crunchy almonds Toblerone. It's delicious. I'd recommend. Like, and also I don't know about you, but you know, like when you go to duty free, I always thought that would be like 10 quid.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be more.
And it was literally £4, wasn't it, Ben?
Yeah, so true.
We were like, what the hell? I'm gonna get one every time now. Yeah, and then we've got just like literally loads of snacks, Skittles, everything. These, by the way, I know they're baby food, but they're actually really nice. So don't shout at me until you try them. And then these as well, because they're the best. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy our snack. Obviously we won't eat all of these tonight. They'll last us like the whole week, and probably like going back as well. You look so crazy in bed.
Because I am. You should join me.
I'm coming. Oh god, my foot just slipped. Yeah, today honestly it's been like not a disaster. Like we've had a really good day, but we're so tired that like we're just so clumsy, aren't we, Ben? We honestly haven't slept. Like we're just, yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. But anyway, so we're gonna do that, and we'll let you know what we get up to tomorrow morning. Goodbye. We are just shopping in the mall. We haven't bought anything yet, but we are looking. Well, the music is loud and then I'm going to turn off. Bye. Hello. They're so cute. Love. Guys, this is my truth. So today we went to the mall, so we put some things there. We did a bit of shopping, then we went to the Burj Khalifa, is that what it's called? Burj Khalifa?
Yeah.
I always get confused because you know he's like, what's his name, Khalifa? The singer?
Khaled. Wiz Khalifa.
Wiz Khalifa, I don't know. I just get confused. But yeah, so we went there, we went to the top, it was very nice indeed. Ben did this like virtual reality thing, which is really cool. Oh my god, my arm is aching so much. We did arms yesterday because we couldn't. Oh my god, it's so wobbly. But yeah, so we're just chilling now. We're just playing cards. These are my sunnies I got, by the way. Very nice. Thank you. And we're just sitting on our balcony now, playing cards. It's so cute. Look at the view. I'll turn it around anyways. But yeah, we're just going to play cards for a bit, eat some snacks, and then we're going to get ready for dinner. Then we're going to Asia tonight, and then we'll show you what we get for dinner, what we get up to this evening. Yeah, this is just our little setup. Very cute. We bought the Toblerone out here, but I'm not going to lie, it did melt a bit. Yeah, we'll be seeing the sunset though, so that was so cute. Our view is amazing. I can't believe we've got this balcony. It's insane. Love it. Hello, we are at Asia for dinner. We've ordered our food and then we're just going to get some drinks.
Zoe's going to do a camera reveal for the food. She's going to tell us exactly what we got.
Yeah,
when the food comes.
When it arrives. We're starving, so we can't wait. But yeah, it is really hot out.
Bloody boiling. So if you see me dripping in sweat, I do apologise.
Is here. We have chicken satay, salmon greenie, wagyu maki, duck spring roll, sesame prawn toast, and our drinks. And it looks delicious. Welcome from our balcony. It's rather beautiful. I haven't actually vlogged today, so I just thought I'd check in. All we've done today, well, we were going to go to the water park, but it's so hot here, we were like, do you know what, we'll come back and go to the water park another time. We just want to chill, relax, like we've got quite a few things that we're planning on doing whilst we're out here, so yeah, we just thought we'd I just filmed this whole thing.
Was that a practice run?
I just filmed this whole thing, and I was like looking at the screen like, oh, it's quite black.
There's nothing on
Yeah, because I wasn't filming. Right, take two, cut. So I thought I would do a little thing because I haven't vlogged today at all. So we were meant to be going to the water park, but in the end we didn't go because, oh my god, I don't get it. Is this bloody taking a film or what? Turns out it was actually filming me. False alarm, no problem. just us being dramatic. Anyway, so yeah, basically, more of the story. We haven't gone to the water park. We've just had a really nice breakfast, chilled all day. I'm just going to keep tapping the screen to make sure that it's recording. Can't really see because the sun is honestly there. So yeah, it's very bright. But we're chilling by the pool. We went on the beach. The sea is so warm. It's amazing. We love it. But like, you know, to the point where it's a bit too hot. So we just went by the pool. Honestly, we've been there all day. It's been so nice. I got a coconut. That was fun. And then we're just gonna get ready. Go to the penthouse for a drink and watch the sunset. Then we're going to Quattro Passi, their like Italian restaurant, for some food. And that will be really nice. And then I think we might, I know this sounds really stupid, but we've got dinner and stuff quite early and we haven't been to the gym, which like I've not been mad at. Oh, you can see my reflection. Hello. I've not been mad about it because obviously you're on holiday, like you don't need to go to the gym, and that's why I didn't want to go today. Like we've been having such a nice time by the pool. I feel like I'm speaking so fast as well. We've been having such a nice time by the pool that I just thought, like, we can go to the gym in England, do you know what I mean? We don't need to go on holiday, but we just quite enjoy it. I don't know, we just like going. I don't know, it's just nice, you know? So yeah, we just might go there after dinner, might not. And then tomorrow we're going to Drift Beach Club. We'll be getting drunk then. That'll be super fun. So obviously catch up in that vlog. I might make this like a whole vlog, and then that will be like part 2. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching, and make sure you stay tuned for the second one. Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, my arm's aching. We did an arm workout on Saturday I'm gonna switch arms. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2 and still checking that I'm on here. And yeah, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all of that. Show me the love, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today,
Careful, I'm scared you're gonna drop my phone.
today we have Zoe. This is my vlog now. This is my channel. Look at the view. Yeah. Look at this view. Vlogging an hour.
Thanks
Right.
for that.
Now stop it and do your role.
I'm putting that in. I'm putting
No,
that
you're
in. Yeah. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, wow, my hair's going frizzy already. We are just ready, waiting for dinner. How cute does it look? Oh, you can't even see. The sun is setting and it looks gorgeous.
This
Gorgeous.
looks amazing. It's hot though.
It's so hot, honestly. Like, I'm melting.
It's kind of noisy out there like this.
Penthouse is loud. We're going for pasta tonight.
Pasta?
Well, it's like, well,
I'm feeling pasta, you know.
are you? I'm
Carbonara
too
or
hot for
something.
pasta.
Yeah, but it's going to be cool in there.
Oh, what looks better?
Yeah.
Oh, it kind of looks cute like this. I know we're dark, but
Pasta, mate.
lovely. Cheers.
Cheers, my sport.
How pretty is that? Let's do a little thumbnail. Oh, my arm hurts.
Did you use the stick?
New trip over? Yeah.
It's really
I know.
stable.
I should use it.
Should.
Anyways, we've
Back
got
into
a
the
dinner
room.
reservation. We've got a dinner reservation soon, and our room is a bit of a mess. Not
No,
gonna
it's
lie.
not. It's actually fine.
Did I show you guys the room? I think so.
We can always do a talk tomorrow.
But anyway, we'll sign off now because we want to go for dinner. We're hungry. Thanks. Goodbye. Well, we're gonna finish this first.
Alright, my phone's aside.
My arm proper aches.
Do you want to play some cards on the bed and I can do a time lapse of it?
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, we're gonna play cards, finish our wine, and then we will go.
See ya.
Goodbye. Oh, do you want to see my outfit? Yeah.
Do
Love
me.
that. This is my outfit. My hair's like gone frizzy already. Wow. I can't cope. But yeah, I'm just gonna wear these little like leather shorts. Oh, I've still got the tag in. Bloody hell.
I was joking when I told you I took it out.
I thought you did. You told me you took it out.
I would have let you know before we actually did that.
But yeah, I'm just gonna wear this tonight. It's just nice and simple and easy. Lovely, lots of stretchy movements. To be honest with you, I bought heels to wear with this, but I think I'm going to wear jeans. Jeans? Wow, my head is gone, honestly. I think I'm going to wear sliders with it. So yeah, I'll do that. And then I'll show you our food when we get it. Okay, signing off
For now.
until 1 second. Snap. Why are you always getting in my vlogs?
You're actually getting more out. I'm joking, I don't
Oh no, this is not our room. Awkward. We just went for dinner. Oh my god. I didn't vlog the dinner.
You can insert pictures.
I'll insert a picture because I actually took one that's landscape. I'm so nasally. We are in the room. I'm so nasally. I've got the biggest cold ever. I keep sneezing. It's bloody cold in here. The aircon is on, which is not helping the situation. I keep just opening the door outside because it's so warm. Wow, this is very up close and personal. I'm so bloated as well because I ate so much bread. We'll just tell you what we got. Oh wait, is there a light out here? There's not a light. Why would there not be a light? Oh, thank you. That's actually perfect. Oh, do you want to hold it for me, please? Because my arm's kind of aching. Kind of aching. Thank you. That's perfect. I'm fucked.
You struggling?
Yeah, a little bit. I got a cocktail. I got a cocktail which had like candy floss in it. That's really cool. I'll try and put a picture in. Ben got a Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
We got grilled octopus to share.
Roasted.
For starter. Oh, roasted. Did you like it?
Delicious.
It was the first time I tried it. I tried it when I went on like my girls' holiday in Javier in Spain. It was delicious. I was like, oh my god, Ben, we need to get this.
It was delicious.
It was amazing. And then I forgot I couldn't spot my nose as well. That's brilliant. You're kind of dropping my head.
Quite difficult when you can't see.
And then I got this like corn-fed chicken with basically like dauphinoise potatoes and cabbage.
Yeah, I
Pretty
think
sure
it
it
was
was
cabbage,
cabbage.
wasn't
And then Ben got bolognese.
it?
Bolog.
Bolognese.
I was trying to say bolognese.
Yeah, it sounded like bolognese.
Not bolognese.
Not bolognese.
Bolognese.
Tagliatelle
basically.
bolognese.
And it was amazing.
Tasty.
Obviously, like we try. I don't know if you guys do this, but like we always kind of, not fully, but like we share.
We
kind
dabble.
Of thing. Like we dabble. So like if I want something and he's getting it, then like I'll just have some of his and get something else.
Yeah.
Kind of share. But some people hate that in couples.
Get some bread and
Let me know.
bread and oil.
Which one you are. We got some bread and dippy stuff, and these like breads with mozzarella in and tomato.
Like a
pepper.
prosciutto thing, wasn't it?
Oh, it was, and they were warm as well. It was so good. We're back at the room now. We're gonna play some more cards. Just chill, really. I'm quite tired. I'm quite bunged up.
Just chill, cuddle, and put
I'm
some,
very nasally.
put some TV,
so
nasally. Put some TV on, play
put
some
some
cards.
TV on, play some cards, pour coffee on,
Cuddle.
and have a cuddle, get into our PJs. And then tomorrow we're going to the Drift Club. So we will
Cheers.
let you know what we get up to.
Somewhere. Over
Oh
there.
yeah, it's really not far from my hotel. It's like, over there somewhere. We're
No,
not
no.
sure. It's literally like a 6-minute drive. It's a 6-minute walk as well, but you can't walk it, I don't think. So
We don't,
we're just
we
going
don't
to
know how
drive
long
there.
the walk is.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. We're gonna get like some food and do some day drinking over there. So we can't wait. So we'll bring you along. Hopefully you enjoy. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Stop.
Stop.
That looked actually
Stop.
really cool.